Softmodding the Xbox 360, an in-depth look.
Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're going to delve into the fascinating world of softmodding, particularly focusing on the Xbox 360. If you've ever wanted to get more out of your console and access features not provided out of the box, then you're in for a treat.
What is softmodding?
Softmodding refers to the process of modifying software on a device without making any changes to the hardware. In the context of gaming consoles like the Xbox 360, this usually means modifying the firmware or the operating system to unlock capabilities or features not available in the stock configuration. Why do people softmod? The reasons can vary, from playing backup copies of games, running homebrew applications, customizing the user interface, to enabling region-free gaming.
How is softmodding different from hardmodding?
Before diving into the specifics for the Xbox 360, it's worth mentioning the counterpart to softmodding, hardmodding. Hardmodding involves physical modifications to the hardware, such as installing chips or altering the motherboard. While it can offer more comprehensive modifications, it's also riskier and can void warranties. Softmodding, on the other hand, doesn't require any physical changes to the console. It's usually achieved by exploiting vulnerabilities in the system's software.
How does softmodding work for Xbox 360?
The softmodding process for Xbox 360 typically involves the following steps. 1. Locating a vulnerability. Softmodders will identify vulnerabilities in the Xbox 360 software, often through a game or media playback. 2. Injecting the custom code. Once a vulnerability is located, custom code or software is introduced into the system, often using a game or USB drive. 3. Modifying the firmware. The custom code will modify or replace parts of the Xbox's firmware, enabling features or capabilities not originally intended by the manufacturer. 4. Installing custom dashboards. Post-modification, users can often install custom dashboards or interfaces, enabling easier access to modded features. Remember, while softmodding can unlock new features and capabilities, there are risks involved. Modifying your Xbox 360's software can void the warranty, may result in bans from online services, and there's a potential to render unusable the console if not done correctly. That wraps up our introduction to softmodding the Xbox 360. While the process can offer an expanded experience for dedicated gamers, it's crucial to be aware of the risks and act responsibly. We hope this video has given you a clearer understanding of softmodding and its implications. Happy gaming, and as always, play safe.